Alright guys, welcome to another video. This video is gonna be quite interesting, not only because I'm recording with my new phone, but because I want to show you a really cool and quick experiment that anyone can do, and all you need is just a loop. So, first thing I want to show you is, take a look at the view out of this window. It's normal. Take a look at those buildings, the sky, the clouds, the trees, the windows. I'm gonna open it a little more so you can have a better view. Okay, you see it? Now, I'm going to show you a cool effect where you can actually use the loop as a projector. Literally as a projector. You don't need anything else. Anything else. So, look at this wall. And so far, when you do this, it doesn't look like much. It's just a piece of the shadow and some light in it. But wait for this. If I try to focus it, if I try to focus the image, look at that. Look at that. And no, I'm not using a projector. This is just a loop. This is really awesome. Look at that. Wait, I'm gonna try to get closer. Look at that. Oh my god. This is awesome. One thing I also want to try is, if the light source is much better and brighter, the projection is gonna be much better and brighter. Alright, so for this you just need a simple piece of paper, and watch how it goes from nothing to a literal projection. I'm gonna get a real close up of the paper. Look at that, it looks exactly how that blue light looks. Just like that. Isn't that awesome?